Hello and welcome in, beautiful soul. It's Charline again, founder of Infinite Coaching and Wellness. Services available to help you find wellness in your life, find your truth, your power, your voice. All contact information is in the About Me section and is also in the description box below. That said, this video is focused on a quick way that you can help to bring some relief to any headache you might be experiencing. And by the way, if you're new, welcome in. Consider subscribing if you feel my vibe. On this channel, I focus on natural healing, awareness, encouragement, positivity, positive vibrations. And to all my OG subscribers, welcome back. Thank you for rolling with me on this journey of natural healing. And for the new folks, join the journey if this content speaks to you. I invite you to take a look at some of my other videos just to see if you like the vibration of what I bring. So, that's it. We're going to use oil, essential oil, to give ourselves a massage. So let's say, oh my God, my head hurts. I had a rough day. I can't take it no more. So much tension, so much happening in the world. I just need to shut down and relax. So now, if you haven't seen my videos on what type of essential oils you can use to help ease your headaches, check those videos out. But in this one, I'm using my least favorite. It's not my favorite, but you know what? It's such a powerful, beautiful essential oil. Lavender essential oil. And what I'm going to do, I have a little bit of oil here. This is olive oil. Also, you can call it a carrier oil. So whatever's your favorite, you can use. And then just put a few drops. Maybe 2 or 3, depending on how many oil you have in there. And you can also, if you feel like, okay, the essential oil that I put in here is not strong enough, because some of us have very high tolerance, and if you, in case you haven't used essential oils before, you may want to test it out on a little part of your body, maybe on your arm or your hands or somewhere, just to make sure you're not allergic. Okay? And if you're looking to get essential oils that are organic and safe and they're sourced in a sustainable way, check my description section. You can join the health club that I'm a part of. It's like, let's say it's like an online health store. You can shop different health products that are natural online. So anyway, let's give her head a beautiful massage. Oh, we need this. So, pour some of the oil onto your hands. And if you're wearing a headband like me, yeah, I know it's cute, but you know what? You might want to take that off. Take off your headband. Well, I'll just leave mine there for now because it kind of looks cute, so whatever. But you want to take yours off all the way. So massage. We rub them together. And then we massage. Try to relax. Take deep breaths as you do this. And you want to, sometimes you feel the tension right in your eyebrows. You want to massage each one of your eyebrows in the middle here. And you want to get like all around the lining of your scalp. I'm sorry, the lining of your hairline. Well, if your hairline is a receding hairline, hey, all good. Just do it at the edges or wherever you feel that pressure is needed. Go even to the back of your head. And at some point you may need to hold it a little bit. Just hold it, because as you do this, you're going to realize, oh my God, I really feel pain in my head. And you also could do like parts of your face, depending on what type of headache you have. If it's a migraine, it probably runs all the way down to your neck. So you're giving your entire head some love. Okay, so your face might get a little greasy, but you know what? That's okay. It's alright. You probably need a little moisturizing like me anyway, so why not just make it do what it do? So, I'm going to get rid of my headband now. You want to pour some of that oil into your head as well, if you really want to get in there, right? Just the tips of your finger. And you want to just deeply massage, maybe just sometimes stop and just hold it. Feel all those pressure points. Give your head some love. Enjoy and invest some time with yourself. Massage that head. Only you could know exactly where your pain points are and where you feel the most tension, but go ahead and feel around gently at first, and then just apply as much or as little pressure as you need as you do this. Now, if you haven't seen my video on the different types of essential oils that you can use for headaches, you can go ahead and check that out. Also the different types of tea. In fact, you know what? Just check out the entire headaches playlist. I'll put it in the description section for you. That said, after this, just go to bed and relax. Think of nothing else you need to do. You've done enough. Relax. So listen, I know that you may not have done everything that you wanted to do today, but tell yourself this: I did all I could today, and now it's time to rest.